The 𝗬𝗃200 charger is an accessible, affordable, and flexible charging solution that fits any location with its compact design. Tailored to the specific needs of the market segments, the 𝗬𝗃200 is designed for all the EVs across the world. Accessible. The 𝗬𝗃200 is a 3-phase charger with 32 amp output, available in both socket and cable variants to meet any location's needs. Prepared for the future, the 𝗬𝗃200 fully supports ISO 15118 and bidirectional charging, provides instant access for remote support, configuration, maintenance, and control. Affordable. A universal charger, the 𝗬𝗃200 complies with all local regulatory or installation requirements and uses an AC Type 2 socket. The 𝗬𝗃200 uses a standard interface protocol, EE-bus, for the European market and OCPP 2.0 for the American market. Flexible. The cable variant comes with a 7-meter cable with an AC Type 2 plug, making it easy for EV drivers to plug in. Installing the 𝗬𝗃200 is a breeze, designed for hassle-free installation, whether mounted on a pedestal or on a wall. The charger's faceplate can be fully customized to match the site location's brand identity. Charge on!